The Unity Coalition. Together, we thrive. The first to emerge was the Unity Coalition, a faction founded on the ideals of democracy, cooperation, and collective responsibility. Formed by former Earth government officials, scientists, and humanitarian leaders, the coalition believed that the only way to survive was through unity. They envisioned a society where every voice was heard and every resource was shared equally. But maintaining such unity was easier said than done. As the coalition expanded, they faced the difficult task of balancing resource distribution and integrating the diverse cultures and ideologies of their members. Tensions with other factions, especially those with more aggressive or individualistic agendas, further tested their resolve. Yet the coalition remained steadfast, determined to build a peaceful and cooperative community on Eldoria. The Vanguard Legion, strength and order. In stark contrast to the coalition stood the Vanguard Legion, a disciplined and militaristic faction that prioritized security and survival through strength. Comprised of former military personnel and security forces, the Legion believed that only through strict order and force could humanity survive the hostile environment of Eldoria. Led by a rigid military hierarchy, the Legion imposed discipline and order on their members, ensuring that every action was taken for the greater good of the faction. They were prepared to defend their territory and resources against any threat, whether it came from the planet's dangerous creatures or from other factions. But their authoritarian approach often led to internal dissent and conflict with more peaceful factions like the Unity Coalition. The New Dawn Syndicate. Innovation for a new tomorrow. The New Dawn Syndicate, driven by a passion for technology and innovation, saw the crash on Eldoria as an opportunity, a blank slate to build a new, technologically advanced society. Engineers, scientists, and tech enthusiasts banded together, pushing the boundaries of what was possible on this alien world. The Syndicate was constantly experimenting, creating new technologies and uncovering the secrets of Eldoria's ancient ruins. But their relentless pursuit of progress sometimes led them to take risks that others would deem unethical. As they delved deeper into the planet's mysteries, the Syndicate found themselves walking a fine line between groundbreaking innovation and dangerous experimentation. Their dependence on resources also brought them into conflict with other factions, especially those who valued the planet's natural balance. The Verdant Circle, harmony with nature. While others sought to conquer Eldoria, the Verdant Circle chose a different path, one of harmony with the planet's natural environment. Made up of environmentalists, biologists, and those who cherished sustainability, the Circle believed that humanity's survival depended on adapting to Eldoria, not bending it to their will. The Circle's members spread out across the planet, establishing settlements in harmony with the land. They studied Eldoria's unique flora and fauna, learning how to live off the land without depleting its resources. But their commitment to sustainability often limited their access to necessary resources, making survival a constant struggle. The Circle also found themselves at odds with factions like the New Dawn Syndicate, whose technological advancements threatened to disrupt the planet's delicate balance. The Shadow Syndicate. Power in the shadows. Lurking in the shadows of the other factions was the enigmatic Shadow Syndicate. This secretive faction, comprised of spies, criminals, and those who preferred to operate behind the scenes, believed that true power lay in controlling information and influencing events from the shadows. The Syndicate operated in cells, each specializing in covert operations, from espionage to sabotage. They valued secrecy and subtlety, manipulating events to their advantage without revealing their hand. But their secretive nature bred distrust, even within their own ranks. The Syndicate's willingness to engage in morally questionable activities also put them at odds with other factions, making them a constant threat and a potential ally, depending on the situation.